Most growers will know the benefits of using enzymes in their feeds. These include strengthening plant immunity and breaking down organic matter within their growing media. House & Garden's Multizyme is a rich and complex range of enzymes, coenzymes and vitamins. The combination of these work in synergy to help transport the nutrients directly where they are needed, while also releasing the nutrients trapped within the dead roots. When using Multizyme with Roots Accelerator and amino treatment, you create the building block for your flowers, making sure that they produce both quality and quantity. The dilution rate of Multizyme is 1 ml per litre and should be used throughout the vegetative stage up until week 4 of flowering.